Hello?
Yes, I'm not at your house. I'm at my house. I don't know how your camera is connected to my doorbell. I was just trying to set it up.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property now.
I'm not on your property, ma'am.
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm not in front of your house. Can you see what I'm
James!
pointing at?